Hello, and thank you for choosing Lovering Volvo Cars Meredith for your service needs. My name is Christian Sayegh, and I'm the service advisor here at our Meredith location. I've been with Lovering for about 3 years now, originally starting as a porter position, so valeting customer vehicles back and forth for service appointments, washing customer vehicles, taking care of the lot. Here we are 3 years later. I've worked my way up to the service advising position, so when it comes time to service your Volvo, you'll be in contact with me and I'll work with you to take care of all your service needs. We offer a valet service where we'll pick up your vehicle from your home, leave you a vehicle to use all day, free of charge. We also offer a gym on site if you'd like to get a workout in, or if you'd like to relax in our lounge, we offer snacks, refreshments, and free Wi-Fi. Again, thank you for choosing Lovering Volvo Cars Meredith. We will look forward to working with you in the future. Check us out online or give us a call and we'd be more than happy to book you in for all your service needs.